If you're wondering how to connect Salesflare with Pipedrive, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can integrate these two powerful sales tools to streamline your workflows and increase your productivity. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, I'll also share an exclusive deal that you won't find anywhere else. Salesflare and Pipedrive are both excellent CRMs, but each has its own strengths. Salesflare uses AI to automatically add and clean up your contact data, saving you time on administrative tasks. Pipedrive, on the other hand, is known for its intuitive pipeline management and sales-focused features. By connecting them, you can leverage the best of both worlds: automated data, capture with Salesflare, and efficient sales management with Pipedrive. Now let's get into how to connect these two tools seamlessly. The integration is pretty straightforward, and it all happens via Zapier. If you're not familiar, Zapier is a tool that allows different apps to talk to each other, automating tasks between them. First, you'll need to create accounts on both Salesflare and Pipedrive, if you haven't already. Once you're signed into both, head over to Zapier and log into your account, or create a new one if needed. You'll want to create a new Zap, which is essentially a task automation. Now, search for Salesflare in the app directory and select it as your trigger app. You'll choose a trigger event, like a new contact or deal being created, depending on what you want to automate. After selecting your trigger, you'll be asked to connect your Salesflare account to Zapier by logging in and granting access. Next, you'll choose Pipedrive as the action app. You can set it up to create a new deal, update an existing one, or whatever fits your needs. For example, you could set up a Zap that automatically creates a new deal in Pipedrive every time a new contact is added to Salesflare. After that, you'll link your Pipedrive account to Zapier, just like you did with Salesflare. Once connected, you can map out the data that should transfer between the two systems. For instance, you'll decide which fields from Salesflare should be used to populate the deal details in Pipedrive. This part is crucial because it ensures that the right information flows seamlessly from one tool to the other. After setting everything up, just test your Zap to make sure the integration works as expected. Once the test is successful, turn on your Zap and you're all set. Now, every time a new contact is added to Salesflare, a corresponding deal can automatically be created in Pipedrive without you lifting a finger. This saves you so much time and makes sure your data stays synced across both platforms. And here's the best part. You can try out Salesflare for free using the link in the description below. We've secured an exclusive deal for you to get started, so don't miss out on this chance to get the most out of both Salesflare and Pipedrive. You'll have access to an extended trial period, giving you plenty of time to experience how the integration works and see the benefits for yourself. So, if you're looking to simplify your sales process and take your CRM game to the next level, this integration is a no-brainer. Make sure to take advantage of the exclusive trial with the link below and start integrating Salesflare with Pipedrive today.